Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. Well, I cut that 3 inches out of the fender like I said I was going to do. And I think it looks way better. Yeah. So, put that wheel kind of in the center now. Looks a lot better, doesn't it? But, yeah. So that's what I did here is I cut 3 inches, measured back, cut 3 inches out, but I left about an inch back then this way, so actually like 2 inches you could say. I cut out the middle so I could bend the flapper down. So I bent it down and then I put it up against there so later on I can bolt it to this, you know. And then like I said, it was probably going to overlap that a little bit, which it did, you know. Straighten that out a little bit, you know. That seam there a little better anyway. But yeah, I think it looks a heck of a lot better. Now that the wheel's in the center here. Yeah, that to me looks pretty good. It's a little high right now, the fender, but that's because there's no weight on the car yet, so I'm going to project it a little higher when I put these in. And then on this side, I copied the driver's side, but this side I got a lot of work to do here. So what it's doing is this corner right here is like I pushed in on it, like, you know. So once I take these dents out here, you know, and somebody's welded on there years ago, you know how that was. So I got to take all these dents out, and then I think what I'll do is once I pop these dents out, then it's going to push this back up and push it back out. You know what I'm saying? Right now it's hard to, I can't walk away from the side, there's no room. But it looks to be right. You know? I think that'll work. So before I go any further on this thing, tomorrow I'm going to pop this off and stand outside and get the body hammers out and try to hammer some of that shit out of there. Maybe we can get the small welder out and weld up that crack. You know, there. Oh, it just sucks. It's a lot of work. I love my brother to death. That's why I keep working on this. I want him to have a nice little street rod for himself. And he's going to love this car. You know? Yeah. But, there's little Miss Riding Hood over here sitting. I got such a mess going here, guys. This place is a pigsty right now. I mean, look at this. So sometime tomorrow I'm going to have to stop and just clean. I already lost one vice grip here somewhere. I don't know where the heck I put it, but I had to use one of my really old ones to, I don't know where I set it. Oh, yeah. But yeah, everything's just a mess. But then I stop and I clean, guys. I can't stand a dirty shop. I just can't do it. But right now, I'm not trying to make any excuses up here or anything, guys. I usually have a pretty decent clean shop, you know. But yeah, it's starting to look like something now, you know. I wish this fender wasn't in such bad shape, but you can see it's kind of pushed down because this is all folded in. So it's pulling out in this corner, I think. That's what I suspect. Little Miss Riding Hood, the star of the show here. She's got her little jacket on so she stays warm. Well, I was looking for that spring. I know where it went now. Finally found it. So yeah, what do you think there, Mindy? I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do on them yet. Then we got to start fitting these doors. I'm not exactly sure how we're going to do that yet either. These are truck doors. Yeah. From the belt line down, they're the same. You know, in other words, from the belt line down, they're the same. But it's up and around here. I think this might be the same too, but it's basically right here is all screwed up. So I'm just trying to figure out what we're going to do there. But once we get the fenders all totally done, then maybe we'll start working on the doors. Then we got the floor to work on yet, and there's all kinds of patches that have to be done. And yeah, it's a lot of work, but this car is so rare, guys. You know, you don't see them every day anymore, especially the Plymouths. I think they're one of the most beautiful cars around. So yeah, so anyway, this is just a follow-up to another video when I said I was going to cut this out and cut this and do this and do that and this. And then I had a good supervisor right there. She supervised me, made sure I was doing right. Didn't you, Mindy? And I ate supper, so now I'm kind of, you know how it is when you eat a buffet. That's kind of how I feel. I ate a big supper. But yeah. Oh well. Please like and subscribe, guys, and we'll talk to you later. We're gonna be doing videos on making braces, and I got 4 braces to put. I got 2 on each running board, and I got 2 on each fender. And yeah, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8 braces to make. Yeah. And we still got to pound the dents out of there. Pound a couple out of this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Please take care, guys. Like and subscribe. Have a good evening. Happy holidays to you guys and your families. And take care. Love to all. Bye-bye.